Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about MDCAT test 2025 Physiology MCQs Quick Revision Part 3rd. Dear students, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। The pressure existing in the pleural cavity between the visceral and parietal layer of the pleura is option A, surface tension, B, surfactant, C, intrapleural pressure, and option D, pleural pressure. So the correct option is C, intrapleural pressure. Explanation is the pressure in the thin space pleural cavity between the visceral pleura lining of the lungs and the parietal pleura lining of the chest wall is the intrapleural pressure. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Intrapleural pressure is always option A, positive, B, depends upon atmospheric pressure, C, negative, and option D, 0. So the correct option is C, negative. The intrapleural pressure is always negative relative to the atmospheric pressure due to the opposing recoil forces of the lungs inward and the chest wall outward. In the old age, complaints of the lungs is option A, decrease, B, increase, C, remain unchanged, and option D, become 0. So the correct option is B, increase. With the old age, the elastic fiber in the lung tend to degenerate, leading to the loss of elastic recoil, so that this loss of recoil means the lungs are easier to distend stretch, which increase lung complaints. What is the volume of air breathing in and out lungs in a single normal quiet respiration? Option A, respiration, B, residual volume, C, tidal volume, and option D, lung volume. So the correct option is C, tidal volume. The TV tidal volume is the volume of air moved into or out of the lungs during a single normal quiet respiratory cycle. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Normal tidal volume is option A, 760 ml, B, 550 ml, C, 600 ml, and option D, 500 ml. So the correct option is D, 500 ml. So the average normal tidal volume for an adult human is approximately 500 ml. Thank you for watching my videos.